so you could be human or do away with your life under the sea? What means so much that you would give up your most valuable thing, freedom, singing, friends, in order to live in a different place with a different person? That's what Ariel did in The Little Mermaid. So here it is, a medley including two of the pieces from Little Mermaid, Part of Your World and Under the Sea.
Can we have a big hand for the band? But wait, we need a bigger hand for the dancers. All of these kids, absolutely wonderful. And can we have an even bigger hand for the bubble blowers? I love the bubble blowers. Don't worry, guys, you're going to be able to dance again. We want to see that. That's very important. But I want to acknowledge the musicians of the band, members of AFM Local 6 Musicians Union, and thank you for attending our concerts. And again, give the band a big hand. The program next week is something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. And wait, I have an important announcement. According to my notes, there will be a surprise marriage proposal next week in the middle of the concert. Whoa, suspense. Anybody want to reveal anything today? Okay, we have to wait and see. We are catching up with the 21st century. There are plans to live stream a future concert this season. And my friends, your applause will be heard worldwide. We're still working on the details, so stay tuned. And following the concert, feel free to come up and share a compliment or a discussion with one of your favorite musicians in the band. And of course, thanks to our major donors, SF Grants for the Arts. Without that support, we wouldn't exist. And the generous support of the Music Performance Trust Fund, administered by the American Federation of Musicians. Feel free, at the end of the concert, to say hello to the maestro, and I want to acknowledge once again that we are this week under the direction of Robert Halseth. Robert, take a bow. And we're looking forward to meeting all of you. But now, without further ado, more of the magic of Disney right here from the Golden Gate Parkway. I'm just told. It's Naomi here. Naomi, will you raise your hand? It is your birthday, Naomi. And so, all these hands are going up. Can we all have a happy birthday for Naomi? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Naomi. And many more.
Happy birthday, Naomi. Aladdin is set in the Middle East, in the desert. Music by Aladdin again, arranged by Paul Jennings. Arabian Nights, A Friend Like Me, Prince Ali, and A Whole New World. In an Arabian area of the world, a kind, young, poor street urchin named Aladdin and Jafar, a power-hungry advisor to the Sultan, Boo, vies for a magic lamp that may have the power to make their deepest wishes come true. Starring the voice of Robin Williams as the genie, here is Aladdin.
go back and go swimming.
We're gonna go back.
That whole new world showing his new friend was on a riding on a magic carpet. He went from being urchin out